How to add baggage on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can add baggage on Xiamen Airlines. How do you add baggage? It is simple. The first step is to log in into your account just like I've done here. And then once you're on your Xiamen Airlines account, scroll down to the section where you can see book flights, flight status, my trip, optional services. Select optional services. Under optional services, you can see two options here: advanced seat selection, prepaid extra baggage. So ensure you select prepaid extra baggage. So after selecting prepaid extra baggage, you will then be taken to the page where you can now pay in order for you to add baggage to your flight. So once you're on this page, just follow through the procedures, find the option to add baggage, or the kind of baggage that you want to add, the amounts to pay. So ensure you pay the amount and then to be added to your total flight amount, and then the money will be deducted from the payment method that you've selected earlier. Now, the reason why mine did not change from here is because I have not booked a flight, and so I cannot add the extra baggage. Okay, so just take note of that. But for you, once click on prepaid baggage, follow the procedures, and you're good to go. So this is how you can add extra baggage or add baggage to your flight on Xiamen Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.